Are you a busy parent and have a child of age group 2 to 6 years at home? Because of your busy schedule, do you feel that you are not able to give them enough individual attention which is required for their strong learning foundation? Actually, 2 to 6 years is a time frame where most of their brain development is happening. And the more you give the individual attention and their individual learning environment, it matters and create the whole life foundation for their learning. If individual attention is missing, it results into speech delays, improper pronunciations, character formation, and overall personality of the child. To avoid this, many parents often take the help of screen and give them mobile phones or TV exposure, which has its own limitations. Screen not only impact their brains adversely, but also the content they are consuming in the mobile phone is questionable. Imagine if I tell you about a solution which not only protect them from the screen, but also help them to give a individual attention and create a strong foundation for the child. Hi, my name is Atul Saini and I am founder director of Super Learning Super Child and T3 group of company. And today I would going to show you a wonderful innovation called Smart Buddy, which not only keeps the child away from screen, but also keep them engaged into fun learning activities which create a strong foundation for the child for the whole life. Well, let me show you what all you get in this product. So this Smart Buddy consists of a very innovative concept of Smart Speak books. These books are speaking books. These are not normal books. It look like a normal book, but every book is specially designed and specially printed, which can speak. And let me show you how it speaks. There is a very innovative toy-like device which comes along with the Smart Buddy. This Smart Buddy device, we call it Smart Speak Reader, is specially programmed to read these books, right? So let me show you how it works. You switch it on like this. There is a button on, power off.
Welcome to the world of Smart Speak. Hi,
and
I
you
am
touch
Smart.
and activate the book from here.
Click.
Now this device is ready to work on this particular book, and it is very simple for the child to just touch
And Apple.
and repeat along with it. Usually when you ask the child to play with it 10 to 15 minutes every day, it gives them multi-sensory stimulation because the child is seeing the concept, they are listening the correct phonics,
Phonic sound of A is A.
and then they can practice
Apple.
and repeat multiple times. The more they repeat, the more they get the concept clear. So this has total of 5 books which help them to create different foundation which are required at that age. Like, if you know, the child at that age need to be developed on both the aspect. The brain has 2 aspects, the right and left brain. So it has all the right brain activity, left brain activities, and help the child to build a strong logic. So this Playgroup 1 and Playgroup 2 books is good enough for giving both the aspect of the life, and it is NCF based book which works for 2 to 6 years, and it has different concept of, if you see, it has concept of alphabets, animal, birds, rhymes and stories, and number 1 to 10. Not only they learn the rhyme, they are engaged with the characters.
Day and night.
See, there are some moral foundation. I brush the teeth day and night. So every page not only has,
Keep them shining bright. Oh, whoa! Now I will enjoy eating this.
so if you see this in this they are learning the language foundation, they are getting the number foundation, they are getting the moral foundation, they are recognizing the characters which are required at that age, they are having exposure to rhymes, characters. It is very engaging for the child. This is Playgroup part 2. This advances the playgroup concept of age group 2. So whatever is required for 2 to 3 years is in this book. Above that, 3 to 4 years, we have these fruits, vegetables, shapes, wonder veggies. All those concepts are covered in this particular book. So to activate this book, again you activate from here.
Smart Speak presents fruit
Now
and
this is
veg.
ready for this, and then they can get the concept.
Kiwi. Custard apple.
The third book what we receive in this is stories and rhymes, which are dedicated for the child to keep them engaged into story listening.
My birthday. I'm so happy.
So if you touch it here,
The little elephant.
the whole story get played, but if you touch on the
Once there
line,
was a little
it
elephant
is
named
playing
Gopal.
sentence by sentence, and then there are
The
activities
moon was
also.
coming and played. Nobody wished me.
So when they learn the stories, they not only get the language foundation, they also forming their belief system, and the content of the story help them to create different type of beliefs. The best part is they can repeat as many number of times and they can learn on its own. Keeping yourself free, you can give them a engaged learning environment, and not only you can keep them away from screen, but also you can help them create a strong foundation. Then the third book is the sticker book. Sticker books is a very innovative concept. It has different stickers.
Hi, I'm a crane.
Now they are learning different birds, different animals. They can tear these stickers and they can stick it on anything. So this make them very engaging, activity based involvement, and they can learn different concepts along with it. And this learn with fun activity is all about activity based learning.
Fun activity book. Circle number 4 in the given pic. You are
So these are activities which can be done by the pen, pencil, or a crayon, and you can keep the child engaged, so the child is learning in a fun-filled manner without screen, which give them a strong engagement and multi-sensory stimulation to the brain. Because if you see, when the child is using, they are seeing, listening, and they are playing the activity based. So all the aspect of learning are covered during that time. So what we feel that this is one of the best early learning innovation which can keep your child engaged, screen free, and give them a strong learning foundation. So you can get more information about the product, and thanks for watching our video.